Welcome to chapter 3 where we are going to learn about default parameters. Now default parameters, as it say, it is about parameters. So parameters, what parameter? Parameters which we pass to the functions. Now default values can also be passed in the parameters when we pass no values to it. So it applies to both normal functions also and arrow functions also. So let's see an example now. So let me remove my earlier thing here. So let's start with default parameter. Let me take a arrow function first. Const is equal, but it applies to both of them. Equal to num1 comma num2 return num1 triple equal to num2. So if both of them are equal, then it will give us true, or else it will give us false. Console.log is equal, let us pass two numbers 10 comma 20 and let me run it, and it will give me false. So this is the normal thing. It is even available in the normal function. But what default parameters do? Suppose I give this num2 as 20 and I'm not passing this 20 anymore. I'm just passing one parameter. Let me clear it. Let me run it again, and it will again give false because it will take this num2 as 20 and it will do it. So but I can override it also. Let me give it 10. So now num2 is 10. I'm passing the parameter. If I don't pass any parameter, then only it will take 20. So let me run it, and it is giving me true. So this is what it does with default parameter. So now there is another important thing with default parameter, and that is the ordering is very important. Let me give the next example with a normal function so that you can see it works in a normal function also. Is equal normal. Let me give the num1 this time as a default parameter 10 comma num2. Let me do one more thing. Let me console log both of them so that we can see what is getting passed. Num1 num2 return num1 triple equal to num2 console.log is equal normal. And now let me give only one parameter equal. So what you think, it will go here or here? Yeah, it will come here, and it will override this 10, not here. Let me show you that. Let me clear it. Let me run it. So console.log is also happening. So num1 it is taking as 11, and this num2 we are not passing it, so it is taking as a undefined 11 triple equal to undefined not, so it is giving it as false. So how do we take this default parameter in such cases? So the way to do that is by giving this as undefined and num2 whatever we pass. So it is 10, so num1 will be 10, num2 will be 11, and again it will be false. Let me show you. So num1 is 10, num2 is 11, and again it is false. So if I want to make it true, make it this 10 10 10 true. So this is our default parameters. So this completes our chapter. See you in the next chapter.